Alright, YouTube. I've been having this fucking sound for, I don't know, a couple months now. I can't really pinpoint exactly when I had it, but go ahead and take a listen. I can't figure out what it is. So here's what I've done. I bought a new PCV hose and I replaced the valve. Everything seems fine. It just sounds like it's just slightly sucking in air in weird intervals. I don't know. Because it's definitely coming from this, or, you know, like inside of this. So, but the throttle body isn't clicking or anything like that. It just sounds like air is popping. That's it. So, I mean, I'm gonna take that filter off. I'm gonna clean it, and then I'm gonna go inside there and I'm gonna clean the throttle body as well. But I mean, if that doesn't work, I can't find anything on this kind of issue. And seeing it just stops at times too. Like right now, it's not making a noise. So I mean, I don't know. I want to try and fix it myself before I take it to the shop. I've been working every day, all day, for the past month, a little over a month really. So I really haven't had time to do anything crazy. Because I'm not just gonna take this off the intake and clean that. I'm gonna take the throttle body off and actually clean it right and do it the right way. Hell, I might just buy a new one. I don't know, but I mean, as you can tell, it stopped making the noise now. And I have no idea why. I'm sure I can give this a little jiggle and it'll start right back up. But I don't know, if you have any experience with that kind of thing, this is the 2015 Ford F-150. It's the 5.0, as you saw. Yeah, I don't know. Help me out.